Yep, as predicted, walking by the side of a mountain or hill. Got a bit precarious further back. Narrow paths and sheer drop. So got about 10 miles to go. Yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to being undercover again. Just stopped really for some water. Yeah, getting a little bit dehydrated, I suppose, and that nice mountain top or hilltop, rugged hilltop. Anyway, better get on. Right, well, the path has got a little bit more accessible. It's all been accessible, but a little, basically there's no huge drop down now. I am slowly going down, so apart from that little hilly blip up there, blippy hill. So yeah, I had a nice chat with a lady just now. She's with her brother and her husband and brother-in-law. They were kind of marching off ahead, and basically I just stopped and had a chat with her. So they're doing a loop, so I might even see them going back the other way. They're staying near Keswick. So I'm doing really well today. I mean, I'm really liking this. I mean, just bearing in mind that today I'm actually venturing out on parts that the group that I'd actually signed up with wouldn't have come out up this far. They were just going to stop at Keswick. I'm kind of, this is a bit spectacular. It's very kind of, I would call it mountainous, but I'm not going to be technical about this. It's mountainous, it's all rugged hills, but yeah, mountains. It's more mountainous than the South Downs anyway, and that's quite hilly in places. This is it's kind of more easygoing day 3. It's been very, very mountainous. Just coming up Keswick, it was quite foresty, or woodlands, and then it's just been like this ever since, really. And I'm really loving this. But the thing is, because I'd signed up, and I just booked the days. I didn't really look at the itinerary properly, and I didn't realise we were only going as far as Keswick. That's fine, that's what I would have done. I'd be quite happy with that. Possibly coming up to do Keswick to Carlisle on a different time. But because obviously both have got stations, and it's just literally a 2-day thing to do it over a weekend, long weekend. But I have had times when I've kind of missed not being in a group. I think more day 3, when I got into that tiny little hiccup near Grasmere, and I just thought, oh gosh, I would have been staying in Langdale had I been with the group, and it would be nearer to the trail and blah blah blah. But it wasn't a problem. I got out of that fix and I was absolutely fine. I knew where it was. It wasn't like I was completely lost or anything. I haven't been really lost. I don't get really lost these days, which is, it's difficult to get really lost with all the modern technology these days. I do have a paper map, but I've rarely had to really even look at it this week. Also when I was climbing down the mountain, I was thinking, part of me is like, oh my god, I'm out of my comfort zone. Oh, nice dragonfly there. And I was like, I really just thought, oh, I just need some people just to push me on, say that's going to be all right, we're all into this together. It's like a camaraderie type thing. It would have made this completely different thing, a different event, had I been with the group. It's been great. I'm quite proud of myself, I suppose, that I've not felt like wildly out of my comfort zone or felt unsafe or anything like that at all this week. I've not found even remotely lost ever. So obviously my map reading skills are good. But yeah, I've got about just over 9 miles to go to Cumbria. Oh, lovely running water. It's nice. You know, it actually feels a bit cooler today. More cloud cover, slightly. But also, I suppose it's earlier as well, so it might get warmer again later on. I don't know why I haven't done this, but you know, sort of thinking about it. I should have just gone to bed stupid early and got up really early as the sun rises to start these hikes. Possibly, mind you, then I'd have a long time before I could actually check in, I suppose. But you know, it's just really so I'm not walking in the searing heat. Lots of flies around. Keep getting bit. Get away, fly. I probably smell like a hiker. That's the thing. You know, I think flies can actually detect that certain aroma. Right, so not seen anyone for a while. Nice slight change of scenery into kind of like a heathland thing. This is just so easy going today. You know, it's been very, very pleasant. I've got just over 8.5 miles to go. So, and it's now 11:31. So I've got plenty of time. I can check in at 3. Might get there after. I mean, I'm sort of thinking next place I see that sells cold drinks, I might just stop for half an hour or so. I've got instructions as to where the key is, so I'm happy. So it doesn't matter, you know, I don't have to get that bag on 3 o'clock, do I? It's always nice to get to a place as soon as you can check in, so you can just relax. You've got somewhere to go and just lie down, have a nap, whatever, have a shower. But yeah, well, I'll get there when I get there. I think, you know, I'm sort of foreseeing it's going to be kind of between 3 and 4 anyway, I think. Right, still walking through heathland by the edge of mountains. So just past a lady. Not seeing. I saw a cyclist, you know, past me earlier on. And another lady, she was admiring my leggings actually. She said, "Oh, love your leggings." Yeah, because basically yesterday I need to do some hand washing actually. It's problem is finding places for it to dry once you've done that at the moment, because you don't really want radiators on and stuff. So I bought some new leggings in a charity shop. I think it was a British Heart Foundation in Keswick yesterday, and these are the leggings. And yes, I quite like them as well. And you know, it's like I thought, you know, about getting shorts and stuff, but I saw these, and it's kind of bumpy material. I've got a few pairs of leggings like this actually, and they are actually very cool. I think maybe that's what the design is. Yeah, because it's like lots of little bumps that kind of come off your skin, so it's not like it's restricting you or anything like that. I mean, you know, even normal leggings I find quite comfortable, and though some are more comfortable than others. These sounds weird, but it kind of doesn't feel like I'm actually wearing leggings. So they're very comfortable and cooling. Yeah, I've been bitten. I saw this horrible, I'm sorry, fly, but a horrible biting insect. You're horrible when you bite. It's actually bit the base of my thumb. I think it was like a mosquito or something actually. It's like, it was bigger than, it wasn't a midge or anything like that, or a gnat. So I mean, flies, you know, I don't like you biting me, but, you know, please bite where there's a bit of flesh. You know, have my bum, I don't mind, really don't mind, but yeah, not near bone, please. It makes it horrible and painful. Right, and I'm pretty much halfway actually. Oh, another biting insect. No, it's not a mosquito. I don't know what it is, but I'll have to. Yeah, it actually draws blood. So kind of look down. You feel the itch. You see the fly, and then suddenly it's just like, oh my god, it's actually bleeding. Oops. And so. Oh, there's a stone circle up here. Not a stone circle as in like Stonehenge, but a ring, a stone ring, a stone wall that's kind of in a circle. So anyway, yeah, I'm about halfway. According to my watch, I've walked about 7.2 miles, and I've got about 7.4 miles to go according to my map. So that's pretty cool, actually. Hopefully it's going to be like this. You know, this isn't. I am tired. You know, this is day 5 of hiking in the heat. After doing lots of mountains. Well, okay, a few mountains, a mountain, a big hill, and so yeah, it'd be nice if it's just like this. But yeah, I'm just going to investigate, see what this is. Right off the beaten track now. Walking over a hill. I've just come up there. I was down by that little river, that silvery line down there. No, don't know what's going on over there, but it looks nice. And that side, like mountains and stuff. So nice cool breeze blowing up here, which is absolutely lovely. Taken my while getting up this hill. It's just relentless, and I'm hoping that's the top up there. So not very far to go on this hill. I'm so looking forward to sitting outside a cafe or a pub with an ice cold drink at the moment. Either actually a milkshake would be lovely, really ice cold milkshake, or lime and soda, lots of ice, ice cream. Yeah, I've got my water, but it's getting more and more lukewarm as happens really. What I need to do, I mean, this is a thing you can't really do it when you're actually staying in places, but unless they've got a freezer, which not very many of them do. I've had a few fridges, but not freezers. Yeah, what I have done in the morning on a hot day, when I'm doing a day hike from home, I just freeze a drink in my freezer and take it out with me the next day. Or, you know, sometimes I take 2 ice cold drinks and then I put my water in the middle, so that's nice and cold. Yeah, that's kind of what I need now. Because so you know, the water's okay, but you know, it's hydrating me and all that, but I need something really nice and cold, definitely. Nice cold shower as well tonight, I think, lukewarm shower. Yeah, so I've got about just over 5 miles to go, hopefully. I have been dawdling a little bit on this hill, but you know, it doesn't matter. It's be daylight by the time I get to Cumbria, so but yeah, I'm really kind of intrigued. I'm really looking forward to seeing what this tiny home thing looks like. So I've kind of seen pictures, but sometimes they look different to pictures. But yeah, I'll know. Yeah, I mean, I think my ETA is probably going to be about 3:30, 4 o'clock, I think, which is absolutely perfect. So yeah, definitely onwards and upwards at the moment, and yeah, hopefully yeah, I'm at the top of the hill soon, right there. And I finally made it to the top. So I'm guessing I will be going down pretty soon. So kind of changed direction a little bit. Bit squidgy on the ground, but not too bad. Lovely wind blowing up here. It's kind of quite cool. It's not freezing cold, it's not warm, it's cool, and that does it for me. But as I said, I need a cold drink or something very, very cold going down my throat very soon. That would be very nice. So it's now 10 to 2. So yeah, doing good time. So as I said, you know, I think I will get there sometime before, between 3:30 and 4. Yeah, that's what I think is going to happen, but obviously I don't know what the terrain is going to be like, whether it's going to change. It's going to be really awkward. So if it's like this, just a gradual decline, it'll be fine. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know, this week, I mean, I've really enjoyed this week. It's been absolutely amazing. it's had its own challenges, and which obviously you don't do this just for a little walk in the park, so that's fine. But yeah, I mean, it's been great. I mean, as I said, you know, it would have been nice to come with a group. Obviously, this bit wouldn't have been done with a group. We would have been today still walking up to Keswick, so nice shortish stroll up to Keswick, and then just going our separate ways, at train or. I mean, I had actually got a train ticket up to Carlisle because I hadn't actually read it properly, and I just looked like, oh, Cumbria Way goes up to Carlisle. So I made that assumption. So I think what I would have done, I possibly have just got the train up to from Keswick to Carlisle. Yeah, because I'd actually booked the hotel room by then in Carlisle. So yeah, and then come back, as I said, to do the 2 extra days between Keswick and Carlisle by Caldbeck. So yeah, so this is all very nice. So very, very remote at the moment. So I'm going to have a look at my map just to make sure I'm definitely going the right path, the right direction. And hopefully I'll see that lovely cafe or pub soon. Not up here though. I think it'd be a mirage up here. But nice thoughts, you know, but not long to go now. Right, 4.5 hours to go. The seas look really funny. Well, it isn't that funny to me though at the moment. I've not seen any Cumbria way signs since Keswick. I just, you know, just going by my map, and there was one point where it's just like, when I was pointed up a hill, it's like, are you sure? So that's what I've been doing. I've been walking through kind of boggy wilderness, just trying to avoid all the bogs. And look what I find. I find a hut with that on it. So I'm definitely going the right way. That is really quite reassuring. And as I said, I've got 4.5 miles to go now.